Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Half Baked Beauty here. We are going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial today. So for those ladies who are just beginning or really don't know where to start when it comes to your eyebrows, this will be an everyday look for you guys that you can, follow and get a good guide on how to do your eyebrows. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay. So of course you're gonna need some eyebrow pomade. This is one that I just picked up from Sally's, like, I don't know, probably about a year ago, honestly, to be real. But that's besides the point. You're also gonna need a, eyebrow brush with a little spoolie at the end, just so we can, make sure our eyebrows are nice and groomed before we get started. As you can see, I really don't have a lot of eyebrows. They are very thin, so having something there is better than nothing because they're not very thick. Before we get started though, I am gonna go ahead and take a puff. So if you guys are down for that, a little 420 friendly, take a puff with me. If you're not, take a shot of your water, a shot of your vodka, a shot of your honey, whatever you got, whatever you prefer. What I have right here in this pen is wedding cake. So it's a hybrid, something just to get us started. So cheers. That tastes really good, by the way. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This is, I believe, espresso brown, it actually says. So like chocolate brown, something like that. Try not to go too dark. Although I do like them kind of dark, but nothing crazy. So, when you get started, you obviously want to make sure you brush them down, make sure that they look really good. I do try and moisturize a little earlier in the day, not really right before I do it, but you could. It makes the product probably go on a little bit smoother. Also, I don't have any foundation or anything on, so if you see my skin, that's kind of what's going on there. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I kind of just get enough product like on the sides of the brush, as you can see, like get them on the side, and then I kind of like brush them off on the side so that you get that like really straight like point to work with. And so what you want to do, what I do anyway, is I typically start from the bottom, so kind of following the line that you already have. You just want to kind of do like that. Okay. As you do strokes and stuff, you just want to reapply your product, obviously, to make sure there's even flow there. If you want, you can always start to spool a little bit, but from there I then I don't start from the very front, but more so like the front middle. And then just follow my eyebrow line. Now I will say, ladies, if you have not had your eyebrows groomed in a while, I would suggest doing that because they know how to make your eyebrows the correct shape, so that when you do fill in your eyebrows, it's a lot easier because they've already set the, pretty much like the base for it. So I would suggest that if you haven't and you're also a beginner, that will make things a lot easier. But yeah, so just kind of go from the middle there, and you're gonna, just come down, follow your eyebrow shape there, and then from there you are just going to kind of fill in. So excuse me, sorry. And you want to be really light when you're doing this. You don't want to be too hard because you don't want your lines too harsh. You know, you kind of want it to be semi-believable, you know, as much as you can, obviously. If it's not perfect, you know, don't worry. You can always clean it up when you go with your foundation. I also like to really use cotton. No. Oh yeah, cotton swabs. That's what they're called. I'm not tripping. Cotton swabs. I kind of like to, you know, use those to help kind of shape them, because I know, you know, they're not going to be perfect all the time. So a cotton swab will go a long way. Okay, now ladies, for these harsh lines, you're just going to take your spoolie and kind of help get those areas, make it look nice and kind of natural. You can see, like, okay, they might look a little thick. Don't judge me just yet, baby girls. We are not done, okay? So that's kind of like the first one. And, you know, depending on who you are, you might want to, you know, add like a couple little lines, little baby hairs. You know, whatever. Do you, baby girl? Whatever you need. I know everyone's eyebrows are different. So, you know, if it gets too crazy right there, you always take your finger and kind of dab. And, yeah. So I'm going to do this other one really quick. I'm going to go in, fix it up, and then we're done. Okay. So get your product. Make sure you're hitting it on the sides, and make sure you're really like getting a nice fine point. And also, I'm kind of standing on my tippy toes because the way that my camera is pointed, but I want you guys to have a good angle, so, yeah. But yeah, just let the brush do all the work, you know? Be gentle, like I said. You don't want to be too harsh. You kind of want it to look kind of natural. I know a lot of girls struggle with this, so like, you know, I understand. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. It takes a lot of practice. I learned when I was in high school, which was, you know, some years back, so, you know. Now you can obviously see this one probably came out a little better than the other. You know, you always have that one eyebrow that like looks badass, and then the other one you're just like, who invited you, baby girl? Because, no. You didn't need to come, and you didn't need to come looking like that. So, yeah. So just take your spoolie, baby girl. This one actually came out pretty good. I am gonna definitely need some work now that I'm looking at it, but we're gonna fix it real quick. So, keep this handy though, because you never know when you might need to reapply. Smoke R.I.P. baby boy. You are very messed. Come on, Mom. I usually lick it because, you know, I'm filthy like that, but, you know, you don't have to, baby girl. Do your thing. Oh. And this one's obviously a little long, too. So what we'll do is just do that, right? And then, boom. You feel me? You feel what I'm putting down? Now, even that might be a tad bit too long. This is a lot harder doing it on camera, by the way, ladies. So, you know, if it's not perfect, please don't judge me. Like, I'm trying. I'm trying, y'all. It's the effort for me, okay? It's the effort. But yeah. It's like you want a shopping spree, 'cause I'm so into you. Alright, y'all. Like I said, they're not gonna be perfect. They sisters, they not twins, okay? They was born on different years. So, like, what do you want me to do? There's nothing I can do. No, but, for real, ladies, I mean, if you're honestly worried about it, I'm telling you, do it when your hair's down, you know, you have a nice outfit on, you can't really tell. Boom, eyebrows done, makeup did, you ready to go to the party. You done. Throw some foundation on, little lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I leave, I will take a hit with you guys if y'all are down for that. Just a little closeout for this video. I appreciate you guys sticking it out with me. You know, this is my first video, so I plan to do more, you know, hopefully some other makeup videos or beauty hacks or fashion, you know, whatever. You guys let me know what you're interested in watching, and, you know, we can kind of go from there. But cheers. Peace, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.